Hello, is Open here. Today I have this very heavy and chunky padlock. This is a CISA 285 and 66 is the size of the padlock. There are larger sizes and pretty strong one. Has this front metal shield and has that spinning plate on the back, and works pretty nicely. Yeah, it has a very authentic keyway. Can be a bit troublesome to pick, and it's even in the stamped in the key. This is fairly low beating, only two highs here and all the rest are lows, so pretty easy beating. And let's see if I can pick this one. Okay, so let's try and pick this one. So this one has a recessed keyway, so I have to use the long part of the pry bar. Fits nicely. Now let's see if I can pick with this keyway. Pretty challenging keyway. The trick on this one is to make sure I know where the pins are. So I'm not picking the wording. And here we go. We got it picked. And let's see if I can get it. So if I learned correctly, it's possible to get using this. And let's see if I have any tool for that can fit in there. So this is the CISA 285. Has 3 spools and a serrated pin on both ends. And standard pin, it seems. Rather, yeah, sorry. This one is a key pin, and this one is a standard pin. Yeah. Right. So nothing really special about the plug. It's slightly milled on top. Nasty keyway. And nothing special about this part either. One thing though, one must be careful. See how those holes there are against that hole. If one turns too much the plug while picking, one of the key pins can leave that way. Yeah, so this was CISA 285. Pretty nice, pretty not too hard to pick. Still a good challenge. And hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.